In this video, we'll learn how to close or delete our WorldRemit account. So welcome back to another video, everyone. If you don't want to use WorldRemit anymore to send or transfer money, then you can easily close your account. The first step that we'll do is to go over to the official website, which is WorldRemit.com. So open the official website and make sure you are logged into your WorldRemit account which you want to delete or close. Now when you log in, you'll be able to see this interface, and we have to click on this help button which should be at the top of our page. When you come to the help section, you're going to see this menu at the right side where it says how can we help you, and we have a couple of links below that. We will select the My Account option which should be at the bottom of the menu. When you open the My Account link, you'll see a bunch of different articles in here related to your WorldRemit account. And since we want to delete our account completely, we'll just select this link called How Do I Close My WorldRemit Account? Now we'll have a couple of different questions and answers on this page, but the one that we want to find is the how do is close my WorldRemit account, and the answer to this question is that we have to contact their support. So you can just tap on this contact us button, and that's going to get us to another page where we will get the specific details on how to delete our account. You can read what are the steps on closing your account, and you want to scroll down where we will see the phone numbers for each specific country. So simply find your country on this list, and then you'll get the contact number. When you contact them, they will give you further instructions. They maybe send you a mail where you'll need to provide your ID card or some other documents so that they can verify that it's you and they can be sure that you want to delete your account. So contact the WorldRemit team and you will be able to close your account. If this video helped you out and you were able to close your account without any problems, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.